Akiaria na MCAs, gavana wa Mombasa Ali Hassan Joho niugite nimekugathika mitaratara ya watho iria ikunina kaimana kigieko kia kwigwatira taito cia mugunda kaunti-ini iyo. Oho niugite ni hariirie kugacirithia miturire ya aikari acio hari kurehe uthii wa nambere kuria thirikari ya kaunti iyo igwaka nyumba cia marihi mathi ya ndandure thoko cia Sega na Marigiti o udumwe na gwaka cioro cia muingi mwena ucio na maundu mangi maingi.
We will have zero tolerance for corruption among county government workers. Support for youth cooperative, talent support programs and addressing threats posed by drugs and enhancing rehabilitation programs, community outreaches and surveillance.
Mwenaini wake spika wa bunge ya kaunti yo Ayub Katri niugite MCA za kaunti yo nimehotorete kurutithania wira na thirikari nene na ya kaunti yo gutigirira uthii wa nambere ni wagacirithio.
We will ensure that there is accountability in the exercise of power and use of resources on the part of those charged with the responsibility of service delivery. Our common goal is to ensure that the residents of Mombasa access services from the county government as required by the Constitution.
Kuringana na Joho, kioneki gia thirikari yake ni kuona muingi wa gicua-ini ni wakinyirirwo ni utungata wa ugima mwega wa mwiri, mai matheru o udumwe na irio cia kuigana. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.